Hello! Today an easy makeup tutorial with only one single palette, so let's get started. Now, as you can probably tell, I've already done a face base because, well, obviously an eyeshadow palette is just not going to have foundation and stuff, so yeah. Actually, I didn't use foundation. I used BB cream, concealer and powder on my face, and the rest of it we're all going to do with this single palette. I don't know, I just thought it would be a fun thing to do for like the summer season and like, you know, if you're going on vacation, packing light. And I was looking at this eyeshadow palette and you can literally just do everything in terms of like color with this. This is just a Catrice Pro Slim Blushing Ocean palette. It's really cheap, which is also a plus. It's like very, very affordable. It's a budget brand, so duh. Anyway, so yeah, let's get on to it. One thing that I do need to do, and I literally almost forgot. Applying an eyeshadow base. Now I'm just starting with blending a warm pinkish shade into my crease and outer corner. A little bit more than that. There's always a challenge of getting it even with the other eye. Anyway, by the way, I was wondering, what type of person are you when it comes to makeup on vacation? Like, what usually happens to me is that we're like, you know, sometimes we go out for dinner in the evening, but we go hiking in the forest during the day. Do you do your makeup in the morning and like make it suitable for the entire day, or do you like put on a full face makeup for the restaurant in the morning even though you're going hiking first, or do you just do like no makeup or a little bit of makeup during the morning and then do a full face during the afternoon before heading out again? For me it depends on what my like schedule is that day and whether or not I anticipate having time to like do my makeup in the afternoon, or whether or not I'll feel like bothering. But yeah, so it has happened to me that I've been like doing forest hiking and like climbing trees with like a full face of makeup on. Like, it's not like the tree is going to care what your face looks like, you know. It's not like the tree is going to be like, oh, you're way overdressed to climb me. Which sounds very strange on like multiple levels anyway. But the point is, yeah. I don't know, like, I don't always go for the appropriate makeup for the occasion on vacation, I suppose. It just depends on what's easy to me. Now I'm applying a sort of blushy pink shade, like paler than the outer corner shade, in the inner corner crease, because I do want it to be defined. Like you can see, this is more defined here than it is here, by lack of eyeshadow here. But I don't want it to be too much, I just want it to be a little bit of a shadow. So, smaller brush, only a little bit of product, and just carefully blend it. And then it's time for shimmer, so I'll pull you up a little bit closer so you can properly enjoy the shimmer. Catrice makes really good shimmers, by the way, and for a budget brand it's pretty dang impressive. But anyway, by the way, I keep talking about summer, but like I don't know where all you guys live. Probably all in different places from each other as well. But I live in the Netherlands and it is, well, I mean technically we're having summer. Technically. But it's more like autumn. It's been raining for like a week straight pretty much. Well, not all the time, but most of the time. And you know, the annoying thing is, like, I don't mind autumn weather necessarily. It's just that I recently bought a motorcycle and I want to ride it, but I don't want to ride it in like a load of rain. Because I've literally had the driver's license for a motorcycle for like, today when I'm filming this, 3 weeks and a day, and I've had the motorcycle itself on this day that I'm filming it for exactly a week. I don't really feel confident yet to ride it through like huge bodies of water on the highway. So yeah, I'm really hoping it'll be better weather soon so I can actually, you know, ride it and practice with it and just enjoy it. But yeah, that's just typical about the Dutch weather. It's usually pretty dang rainy. Also, don't forget to blend this into your crease. Also, by the way, like, I'm totally not completely complaining or anything, because, you know, we don't have forest fires or other actual, like, lethally dangerous weather. We just get, like, mildly annoying weather, so, yeah. Then a slightly shimmery highlight on my brow bone. Also, on a different note, highlight, by the way, I'm terrible with alarm locks. Like, I have this, like, alarm lock for on the bike, you know, when I lock it. Duh. Yesterday I tried to open it with the wrong key. I don't know, I'm just so nervous about accidentally making it go off, because the thing is loud. Let me tell you, it's loud, like 100 decibel. It's literally 100 decibel, by the way. Not exaggerating, but anyways, I tried to open it with the wrong key and it went off. Luckily my neighbor could laugh about it. Yeah. The look makes me more nervous than the bike itself. Seriously. I'm also putting a little bit of the outer crease color into my lower lash line here. Just a little bit, nothing overly dramatic. I just want it to be like connected. Now for my eyebrows. Oh, by the way, yes, we're still going to do eyeliner and stuff, but I want to do everything with this palette first. But I'm going to use a pinkish shade because, well, if you're blonde you can use the taupe shade, and if you have dark hair you can use the darkest shade. However, with red hair it's a bit of more of a challenge because it doesn't have a reddish color, so we're stuck with pink. Whether or not this is a bad idea, I don't know yet. We'll see once I'm done, and it might look ridiculous. We'll see. Okay, it's definitely something else, but I gotta say I don't hate it. Like, okay, would I do the same thing with like a blue eye look or a green eye look? Probably not. But with a pinkish eye look, I really don't think it looks bad necessarily. Lucky! Then I'm going to use the taupe shade for contouring, starting off with my nose. Obviously I'm going to use a bigger brush on like the rest of my face, but let's start small because this is an eyeshadow and you gotta keep in mind it is more like impactful than a actual contour shade as usually will be. So what I'm trying to say is just be careful. Also, by the way, if you're doing this on vacation, make sure you bring brushes that actually fit in the eyeshadow pan, because this obviously works. This, for obvious reasons, is not really going to work out well. I mean, it will look interesting, but it probably won't be looking very natural. And then I'm going to use the same brush and use this shade as a blush very carefully. And the highlight shade of the brow bone is also going to go onto my cupid's bow. Then the next step, eyeliner. I'm just filling in my waterline with a nude pencil now, and also if it looks like this liner was more or less an accident, it totally was. Anyway, let's move on to mascara now. And now that I've more or less on accident done a sort of graphic liner-ish thing, I don't want to cover it with falsies, so now we're just going to move on directly to the lips. And it leaves us with the final result, just a very quick and easy summertime glam look-ish thing. And all you need really is a BB cream, concealer, powder, and these products. Like seriously, it's just ideal for on vacation because you don't have to pack a lot, and really just for any day where you just want to quickly do a makeup, it's just nice. Yeah. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please click the like button. It would really help me out because it makes YouTube suggest my videos more often to new people. And if you want to see more of my videos, you can also subscribe to my channel. I do wearable makeup looks, I do less wearable makeup looks, and I do completely different things for makeup looks. So yeah, there's a lot of different videos on here. Anyway, for now as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!